Hello and welcome to this tutorial on managing patrons in Koha. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to view, edit, and add new patrons in the Koha library management system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate Koha effectively. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about how to access the patron management section in Koha. You can do this in multiple ways. Option 1. From the top bar, click on the Patrons menu. Option 2. In the main body of the Koha homepage, look for and select the Patrons button. Option 3. Use the quick search field in the second top bar labeled Search Patron. Just type the patron's card number or their name, and you'll be directed to their details. Now that you know how to access the patron management area, let's explore how to view and edit a patron's details. Once you're on the patron's page, start by entering the patron's card number or partial name in the search field. This search works for first names, last names, or even partial matches. Once you see the results, simply select the patron you're looking for. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll now see the patron's full profile. This includes personal information like their name and contact details, as well as library-specific details such as their current checkouts, holds, any charges, and restrictions. If you want to make changes to their profile, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to update their personal information or library usage data. For example, you can update their address, contact number, or change their account status if needed. Koha also offers several other tools within the patron profile. You can check their circulation history to see all their previous transactions. Review their holds history to keep track of books they've reserved. Explore the modification log for any changes made to their account. And check statistics, purchase suggestions, or even send notices directly. Now, let's say you want to issue a book to this patron. It's super simple. Click on the Checkout box in their profile. Once you do that, scan the barcode of the book you want to issue, or manually enter it into the text field. Confirm the details, and the book is issued. Easy, right? Next, let's discuss how to add a new patron to the Koha system. From the main page, head over to the Patrons menu. On the Patrons page, look for a button that says New Patron and click on it. The first thing you'll do is select a patron category. For instance, are they a student, teacher, or a general member? Choose the category that fits best. Once you've selected the category, fill in the required details. This includes their full name, contact information, and any other mandatory fields. Double-check the information to make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, click Save, and that's it. The new patron has been successfully added to your library system. Managing patrons in Koha is really that straightforward. Whether it's viewing details, editing profiles, issuing books, or adding new patrons, Koha provides all the tools you need to keep your library running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to revisit this video. Have a great day and happy managing!